Hello, everybody. My name is Alexei, and for almost 8 years, I have been selling the HR software. So, I would like to invite you to my webinar. You will get all the details about the date and time and other stuff. And this is what I'm going to speak about. First of all, no sales. I won't be selling anything to you at all during this call. So, we will talk about do you even need the HR system at all? Because some businesses don't, to be honest. Then we will think how to prepare to the selection process, how to collect your requirements and other stuff. I will tell you which questions you must ask from your vendor or from potential vendors to make sure that you don't have any surprises and you don't waste $1 million on the HR system. And also I will tell you that the HR systems don't make any coffee at all, so you should have the realistic expectations to the HR system. Thank you. See you